This question came from Peter, age 7, who once tried to build a rocket out of cardboard boxes and duct tape because he was pretty sure he could land on Jupiter before bedtime. Actually, it came from Peter's mom, who just wanted him to stop watching black hole documentaries before dinner. The question stuck. What would happen if a black hole suddenly appeared in your backyard? And once you hear that question, you have to know. So let's open the back door and step into one of the weirdest, wildest what-ifs the universe has to offer. It's small. But oh no, let's say the black hole is tiny, about the size of a marble. You might think, pfft, I've stepped on Legos bigger than that. Here's the thing, this tiny black hole would weigh more than Mount Everest. It's so dense, gravity around it is beyond anything we experience on Earth. You couldn't pick it up, push it, or trap it. It would fall straight through the ground, tearing a hole through the planet as it goes, gobbling up dirt, rock, tree roots, and everything unlucky enough to be in its path, including Peter's cardboard rocket. And the scary part? You wouldn't hear it coming. No roaring sound, no dramatic music, just the quiet, terrifying pull of gravity itself. If it's big, say goodbye. Now, what if the black hole was a marble-sized? What if it was the size of a house? That's when things go full sci-fi horror movie. Ground around it starts crumbling. Trees begin to tilt and fall inward. Cars roll toward it, metal creaking, glass shattering. Your neighbor's cat, gone. Your mailbox, gone. Your Wi-Fi router, definitely gone. Then comes spaghettification, a real scientific term for what happens when gravity stretches you like a noodle. Black hole pulls harder on your feet than your head, or the other way around, depending on which way you're falling, and suddenly, you're pasta. Galactic-grade pasta. But, do we use it? Believe it or not, some scientists think black holes might be useful someday. If you could somehow trap a teeny tiny one, without getting turned into space spaghetti, it could be used as a power source, an almost unlimited supply of energy. It's like plugging your toaster into a star. Theoretically, you could even use a black hole to power a spaceship. So, yes, Peter's dream of going to Jupiter might not be that far off. He just needs, you know, some quantum-level shielding, a few $1 trillion, and probably an adult's permission. What if it really happened? Let's imagine, it's 4:37 p.m. on a Tuesday. Peter's playing outside. Grass is still wet from the sprinklers. And then, poof, a black hole appears behind the garden hose. First, you feel a weird tug. Not strong, but strange. Birds stop chirping. The sky dims slightly. The ground vibrates. Your juice box falls over on its own. Then, everything starts sliding slowly toward the center, like the whole world has suddenly tilted. Your fence gets pulled in, then the neighbor's shed, then the trampoline, still bouncing from Peter's last jump. People come running. Phones are out. The news arrives. Drones fly overhead, and the black hole, just quietly growing stronger, pulling more in with every second. NASA shows up, military shows up, maybe even aliens show up. But it might already be too late. The Earth begins to break apart, sky changes color, and Peter, he just wanted to play tag. So, could a black hole actually appear in your backyard? Nope, not naturally, not randomly, not unless something really weird happens, like a secret experiment gone wrong or a rip in space-time caused by an alien prank. But if it did happen, don't run, don't scream, definitely don't try to throw a rock into it. It'll just stretch into cosmic spaghetti anyway. Just do one thing, hit record, because no one's gonna believe you, and they deserve to see it, before the entire internet gets pulled in, pixel by pixel.